today I have a deposition. What's great about the TrialPad in the deposition, they have the little function where you present and then it's just, or it says TrialPad for iPad, and they don't see your document. So when you're trying to show documents just on a regular computer, you're always like closing your browser or disconnecting the feed to the screen. You're like, oh, and it's like there's like a demob and mob time. It might take like 3 seconds, but it's still 3 seconds in a distraction. But the great thing about TrialPad is you can always feed into the whatever TV you're trying to show the witness, but just quit the whatever the present button, and it's always there, so you can get your exhibits together. And then another great thing about it is you can put the exhibits side by side, and then so that's what I'll do. Like I'll have like a regulation, and then I'll have the policy, and I'll put them side by side. And then I'll just make a screenshot, and then you got another exhibit, and there we go, side by side exhibit. Make that an exhibit. So it really opens the door to creating exhibits. Like I got the case working on. It's a video of an incident. You can make a screenshot from the video, and the screenshot goes immediately to the other folder, and then you'll just make an exhibit, put a exhibit sticker on it, and call it a day. So you got an exhibit. And what we do in all of our cases is we maintain one exhibit list numbering for all the depositions. So witness 1 is going to be exhibits 1 through 10, and then witness 2 is going to be 11, 12, 13. And we just keep the numbers flowing that way. And it really helps to keep things organized, because then when you got to do your exhibit list, it's like, hey, just let's generate the automatic exhibit list that we already have, and we got all our exhibits. Our exhibit list is made. And so that's how I use TrialPad is, keeping track of the exhibit numbers and just really showing documents and questioning witnesses about the documents, and as opposed to bringing 2 copies. Like you get most of the time you got to bring 3 copies, because they're like, you did not bring me a counsel a copy, and it's like, man, I can't, I can only do what I can do. It's like there's a lot of these documents. You bring it on TrialPad, it's electronic and it's all there, and everybody can see it on the screen. So that's really the big thing with TrialPad.